open the windows and let the light in. Better moments are waiting to be created. Welcome, beautiful soul. Find a comfortable position and allow yourself to settle into this gentle moment. Whether the morning is quiet or already alive with activities, know that you have arrived exactly where you need to be. Take a slow, easy breath in. And softly breathe out. Again, inhale peace. Exhale with ease. As the light of a new day begins to fill the sky, remember this simple truth. Every sunrise is proof that life believes in second chances. No matter what yesterday held, today arrives untouched, carrying fresh possibilities, quiet miracles, and moments that have never existed before. Imagine the first rays of sunlight gently streaming through your window. Feel their warmth resting upon your face. Your shoulders, your heart, with every beam of light, you are invited to begin again. With kindness, curiosity, and hope. Nature never rushes the sunrise. The flowers bloom in their own perfect season. The rivers continue to flow around every stone they meet. Similarly, life moves with quiet wisdom, reminding us that each new day is another opportunity to grow into who we are becoming. Take a deep breath. As you exhale, imagine opening the windows of your heart. fresh air flow through your thoughts. Let light fill every corner of your spirit. There is space here for joy. There is space for gratitude. There is space for beautiful new memories waiting to be created. Take a moment to appreciate everything already surrounding you. The steady rhythm of your breath. The gift of another morning. The people or pets who bring warmth into your life. The lessons that have shaped your wisdom. The dreams that continue to call you forward. Gratitude doesn't ask life to be perfect. It simply notices the countless gifts already present, allowing them to grow brighter with every thankful heart. Now silently repeat these affirmations. Today is a beautiful beginning. I welcome this day with an open heart. Peace flows through me with every breath. I choose gratitude, and gratitude expands within me. My heart is open to love, kindness, and unexpected blessings. Every step I take creates beautiful moments. I trust the gentle unfolding of this day. Light surrounds me, guides me, and lives within me. I welcome abundance, good health, meaningful connections, and joyful opportunities. Today is filled with possibilities, and I receive them with gratitude. Now sit with these affirmations for a few breaths to let them take roots in your heart. Now take another slow breath and feel the warmth of the sunrise becoming part of you. Carry its calm into every conversation. Carry its kindness into every choice. Carry its hope into every moment you create today. As you continue your day, remember that every sunrise offers a quiet invitation to begin with love, to walk with gratitude, and to notice the beauty that has been waiting for you all along. May today surprise you with moments that make you smile, hearts that make you feel seen, and experiences that remind you how precious this life truly is. Thank you for sharing this peaceful moment with me. If this meditation brought a little more light into your morning, please take a moment to like and subscribe and share it with someone who could use a beautiful new beginning today. And before you go, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What are you welcoming into this new day? As you move through your day, may your heart stay open, your spirit stay hopeful, and may every sunrise remind you that beautiful moments are always waiting to be created.